Hello everyone, have you been seeing those cool AI videos online where people are standing and suddenly a car or helicopter shows up? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own straight from your phone. It's super easy, beginners friendly, and best of all, you don't need a laptop or any paid software to do it. Let's get started. So if you have been wondering how people are creating those trending AI videos, this is for you. A few people asked me to teach them how to create this trending video. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your App Store or Play Store. If you are using Android, go to Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, use the App Store. You are going to search for an app called Kling.AI. That is Kling.AI. Just type Kling.AI in the search bar and it will come up. Tap on it and install it on your phone. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. Tap on the app. Once it opens, you will see a screen with option to sign up or log in. You will need to sign up using your email address. Since I have already done that, mine shows the home page. But for you, it might say join or create account. Just go ahead and register with your email to get started. After signing in, the interface should look something like this. Now, to create the video, tap on the option called image to video. When you tap that, if you already started something before, it might show you unfinished project. Once you are in, click here. It says upload image. That will take you to your gallery. Select the picture you want to use. It's better to choose a full body photo where you are standing. If your legs or hands are visible, it's even better. That makes the video look more realistic. So I'm scrolling down and picking a picture of myself standing with both hands showing. Once you have picked it, it will upload automatically. Now that the image is uploaded, the next step is to write your prompt. This is what the app will use to generate your video. For example, I will type a young lady is standing and suddenly a red Porsche Cayenne appears beside her. She enters the car and drives off. Okay, you can write anything depending on the scene you want. A car, a helicopter, a tricycle, even an aeroplane. If it's a man, just write a young man standing. If it's a baby, say a baby standing. The key thing is that your image should match the prompt. Someone standing and then something happens. After typing your prompt, tap on the save my presence. Then you will see options for generating the video. Click on where they write 35 generates. Down here, as you can see, 35 generates. Just hit on that. Don't worry, when you sign up, Kling.AI gives you some free credits, some free coins to use. Once you confirm and tap it, the video will start generating. It might take few hours. You can minimize the app and come back later to check. When it's done, tap on assets and you will see all the videos you have created. Tap on the video you just made. Then look for the download icon. Tap the download button. It will give you two options, with watermark or without watermark. Since we are using the free version, just tap download with watermark. Let it finish downloading, and once that is done, the video will be saved in your phone's gallery. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.